Assalamualaikum and good morning to the panel. My name is Muhammad Adam Khori bin Hamidun. I am from Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering Related Technology, major in manufacturing. Today I would like to present about my degree project entitled Super Hydrophobicity of Carbon Fiber and its Performance in Oily Water. Okay, for the abstract, carbon fiber is a renewable material with an enormous lumen and hydrophobic attribute. In this study, carbon fiber was treated with various solvents including water, lubricant oil, cooking oil, lubricant petroleum, lubricant oil-duty, and diesel. The main objective of this study is to characterize the physical properties of carbon fiber, analyze the super hydrophobicity of carbon fiber, and to evaluate the efficiency of separation for oil and water emulsion using a carbon fiber. In the findings state that the absorption capacity of carbon fiber for lubricant oil, cooking oil, petroleum, lubricant oil and diesel can be increased by 32.5%, 25.5%, 20%, 28% and 19.5% respectively. For the introduction, nowadays oil spill has become a major problem for many countries. One of the costs is transporting oil from production source to consumption location until risk, which is the risk of incidental oil spill, which can cause severe damage to the ecosystem and loss to the human society. So for this research, the scope is only focusing on carbon fiber because carbon fiber is a natural fiber that can be easily obtained in Southeast Asia country. Okay, as for the literature, for the first summary, Jayaprakash state that the natural fiber are one of the abundant resources that exists in nature. They are easily decomposable, biodegradable, renewable, and also cost-effective. Next is Alice and Marco also state that in his research, in their research, real life fiber was used as a medium for filtering equipment. Flexible fiber filter are recently developed modular filtration unit which have been applied to wastewater and water treatment. The result are the flexible fiber filter are satisfactorily removing solid even when operated at high application rate. Okay, next is Murillo also state that in his study, cellulose fiber are typically semi-crystalline with free hydroxyl group. Through the amorphous point, this group attract water molecule forming hydrogen bond. Carbon fiber are so it is support that carbon fiber are naturally oleophilic. Zinc state that oil spill have damage effect on factories and oil refineries due to the risk of fire or oil explosion. Okay. Lastly, Yan Zheng state that the utilization of carbon fiber as a spongy material for oil, metal particle, color and sounds with unique regard for its utilization as an oil engrossing material as one of the prevalent use of carbon fiber in the coming future. Next is the flow of this study. Okay, first we will do a surface characterization, finding a surface tension and contact angle for the carbon fiber and oil that we use. Next is Then carpet fiber is supposedly to be analyzed physically using a FESEM and FTIR spectroscopy, and then we will proceed to the determination of oil absorption characteristic. For the oil absorption, for the determination of oil absorption characteristic, we will use a filtration system, which is the filtration procedure as firstly, lubricant oil and water were measured precisely to the 200 ml for each solvent. After being measured, both water and lubricant oil were mixed using beaker to create an oil-water emulsion. The, mi- the mixture was stirred for 2 minutes using glass rod, and then the mixture was weighed before we proceed to the filtration. Our carpet fiber was weighed into 2 gram using a electronic scale. Okay. After that, the carpet fiber was used as a filtration medium and put into the filtration funnel. Okay. The mixture were poured slowly through the filter funnel. The time taken to complete the filtration, the level of oil in water, emulsion, and weight of carpet fiber after being filtered were recorded. So the surface morphology were also recorded by using image capture. All the procedure were repeated using the cooking oil, petroleum, using lubricant oil duty, and diesel. Okay, then we proceed to the recyclability test. As for the recyclability test, carpet fiber will be immersed into the oil for 6 hours, 12 hours, and 18 hours, 24 hours, and 30 hours respectively to reach sorption saturation, and then placed on a sand core funnel. Then the fiber will be drained under a vacuum for 5 minutes to remove the residual oil and dry in an oven for at 60 degree Celsius. The obtained fiber will be used for the another cycle. The sorption cycle will be repeat, and the contact angle will be evaluated. As for the result and discussion, the absorption capacity was calculated as shown in the table in the poster. The absorption capacity for lubricant oil was 22.5, while for cooking oil is 25.5%, while petroleum oil was 21%, lubricant oil is 28%, the diesel oil is 19.5%. We can observe that lubricant oil has a higher oil absorption. We can observe that carpet fiber show a higher oil absorption capacity when exhibit with a lubricant oil duty. So we can discuss that carpet fiber show higher absorption capacity for high density oil compared to diesel and petroleum, which is considered as a low density oil. This was obviously attributed to the fact that high density oil was heavier than the petroleum oil and diesel oil. The psychochemical characteristic of carpet fiber also affect the oil absorption performance. The psychochemical characteristics of carpet fiber, such as surface weight, surface roughness, the hollow lumen, and the porosity of carpet fiber. Okay, next is the surface morphology was analyzed. The surface morphology of carpet fiber was analyzed using an image capture. Okay, the picture A, B, C, D, and E show the surface of the carpet fiber after being treated with lubricant oil cooking oil, petroleum, lubricant oil 20 and diesel respectively. The couple fiber show a sticky and oily behavior after being treated with different oil. This indicates that the smooth fiber surface that is not in favor of the addition of oil is obviously improved, and the rough surface being beneficial to the addition of oil is generated. Besides, the increase in surface roughness of raw carbon fiber will also lead to a better oil absorption capability. For the conclusion, we can conclude that raw carbon fiber has a better oil absorption capacity when tested with high density oil rather than low density oil. High oil assimilation, fantastic recyclability, and great biodegradability make carbon fiber a reasonable option in contrast to customarily engineered oil absorbent applied to the oil recuperation without water. For the recommendation, in order to get a better and more accurate analysis in the future, it is recommended to use a contact angle measure tool, SRT measurement machine, and a field emission scan scanning electron microscope, or known as